Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for KuCoin. First, navigate to the official KuCoin website or download their mobile application. You'll then click the Sign Up button, typically found in the top right corner. Enter your email address or phone number and create a robust password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions and complete the simple CAPTCHA verification. Next, let's talk about identity verification, also known as KYC. While not always mandatory for basic trading, completing it unlocks higher withdrawal limits and enhanced security features. You'll need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, and country. Then, upload a clear image of a government-issued identification document, such as a passport or driver's license. A quick selfie will complete the facial recognition step, confirming your identity. Securing your new KuCoin account is crucial. I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using an app like Google Authenticator. This adds an extra layer of protection. Also, set a unique trading password, separate from your login password, to authorize transactions. Linking your phone number for SMS verification provides another security option. For email safety, consider setting up an anti-phishing code to identify legitimate communications. Finally, let's get your account funded so you can start trading. You have a couple of primary options. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange directly into your KuCoin account. Alternatively, you can use fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, to purchase crypto through one of KuCoin's integrated third-party payment providers. Always double-check the cryptocurrency and network you select to ensure a smooth transaction.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.